Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have a Softbox Lighting Kit from Geekoto. So this Softbox is a lighting kit designed for filming YouTube videos, kind of like what I'm doing right now, and also you could do photography such as portraits, things like that. Apparently it's very adjustable and it does include 2 light bulbs as well. And we'll show you how everything's set up as well. All that for around $52 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. First thing I want to do real quick is thank Geekoto for sending me this product for testing. Thank you very much. Really impressed with the case that's provided. You get a really cool logo on it. It's all nylon, nice little strap for carrying it, and then a zipper that goes over the top. So let's get this open up and check everything out. There should be 2 of them in here, which will be perfect for my filming table. So it looks like we have these 2 bags. These probably contain the soft boxes. Then I'm guessing these are the light bulbs, these 2 boxes here. And then these are going to be the stands right here for the soft boxes. Alright, so I decided to move to the floor just to make it a little bit easier to see everything because this is a fairly large product. So first we'll open up these boxes right here. As you can see, they contain the light bulbs. These are 85-watt light bulbs. Very protective right here. Very large light bulbs. Look at how big that is. That is gigantic. It's probably about a foot long, really. So pretty impressive. I've never seen a light bulb this large, actually. Quickly see some stats on the light bulbs. Now we'll get one of the actual soft boxes open. Very nice Velcro on the top here. This is all a very nice nylon feeling material, this bag. So as you can see, we have the actual soft box here. This will kind of fold open like that. So you have a really cool Geekoto logo, reflective material on the inside to maximize the light going towards your filming subject. Then in the back we have the mounts for the stand as well as the power plug with the switch on it. So this in here, this is where you actually install the bulb right here. It just screws in. Also in the bag was this diffuser attachment, so we'll just open that up. This is attached to the softbox using Velcro. As you can see on each side of this device, there's a little bit of Velcro strip right here, right here. So we'll just attach this real quick, and then you can see kind of what it will look like. So to ensure that no light escapes, the corners here have this little flap that goes over the edge, and it actually does seal it up very well, so that only diffused light will be coming out of the softbox. So I'll go ahead and get a light bulb installed. But putting on this diffuser attachment was extremely easy. I'm just going to screw the light bulb in, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and reattach the diffuser. And all the diffuser will do here is just ensure that there's no shadows or minimize the amount of shadows. We'll open up one of these stands. So as you can see, this is very similar to a tripod. Just loosen it up right here with this little knob. And then as you can see, we have a nice stand. Now on the actual softbox here, I'll just loosen up these knobs to be able to turn that. And then this attachment will just go on top of this knob. And as you can see, that quickly we have the entire softbox set up. Light bulbs in, and now we'll just flip the switch. It's very bright. Very cool. In the back there is a little bit of light coming out, but not too much. So nothing that's going to ruin your shots or your video. And now I'll just show you how tall this can get. Keep in mind I'm about 6 feet tall, so this gets well over my height. You can have the light adjusted right there. And it's actually not very flimsy, which is surprising. I could actually have the legs a little bit farther apart. So there you go. Here's your maximum height for the Geekoto Softbox right here. As you can see, the cable is definitely long enough to have it fully extended. So that cable is probably about 8 feet long. I really like this switch that's on here. You don't have to get near the light. So just for a quick comparison, these are the current lights I use. This is my filming area right here. And as you can see, these are kind of an umbrella. And as you can see, they also have these metal rods sticking out of the back that I find can be pretty dangerous if someone's walking, can hit them in the eye. So I'm really looking forward to having this new setup with very compact soft boxes. It'll actually direct the light down at the product that I'm reviewing or something I'm working on, doing a do-it-yourself project, things like that. And then now, as you can see, I have the Geekoto Softbox set up. And I also think this provides a lot more light for doing reviews and a lot more room. Because I don't have these umbrellas sticking out and taking up so much room on the table. The softboxes just sit and I can aim them directly at the product if I want to. Really get a lot of light. These are extremely bright. So this is currently being filmed on my filming table with the Geekoto lights on the sides here. And as you can see, much brighter, much clearer. This is a super white, bright light. And as you can see, the attachments for dissolving the light really work. There's very little shadows. Only when I get really close to the table do you see any shadows. Very impressed there. One thing I do want to point out about the softbox lights, while they do provide a lot of light, there's a trade-off there. They also give off a good amount of heat. It's not too much where you're going to get burned by touching the actual softbox, but you can feel the heat. It does warm the room. I'm filming right now in winter, so it's not that big of a problem, but on a hot summer's day, that might be an issue. Overall, really impressed with the Geekoto softboxes. It's extremely bright for only around $50 on Amazon, so that's pretty great for a new YouTuber or someone trying to get into photography. You can get a really good light set for an affordable price. It's also very easy to set up, and you get a really nice carrying case with that. If you have any questions about the Geekoto Softbox light set, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you've already purchased this Softbox light set, leave a comment below. Leave your experience for other people so it can help them with their buying decisions. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.